You're watching Bloomberg Law. I'm Pacchia. We're joining you again from the American Bankruptcy Institute annual spring meeting in Washington, D.C., and we're joined now by the executive director of the organization, Sam Gerdano. Sam, I want to thank you before we get started off for putting on such a great conference and setting us up with such a great production team. This couldn't have gone any better over the last couple of days. This has been really a fantastic experience.
So, great. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. So I wanted to talk to you about the big item on your organization's plate for the next 2 years. Last Thursday, the initial hearing at the Chapter 11 Commission in the House Judiciary Committee kicked off. Looks like they're going to be reevaluating the way Chapter 11 process works in this country. It's a major undertaking. What to make of this?
Yeah, that's right. We're under no illusion about how difficult a challenge it's going to be, but it's an effort to essentially build a bankruptcy law for the 21st century.
Mm-hmm.
The modern code that we all work under and that our 13,000 members live under really has about a 40-year shelf life, and that's where we are now in the law's evolution. And businesses are structured differently than they were 40 years ago. They're certainly financed differently than they were then, and all of those externalities come into play in making it a lot more difficult to reorganize a major company in the Chapter 11 process. And so what the reform effort is about is to make those tweaks and changes to the law after we do a thorough study involving all aspects of the restructuring community to try to rationalize the system to make sense for the 21st century.
Yeah, it's pretty profound when you think about it. The way a lot of businesses in this country have changed a lot over the last 30 years. I mean, labor dynamics have totally changed. Technology's revolutionized the way certain businesses operate. I know your organization isn't advocating any particular positions, but where are the finer points that need to be looked at in the Chapter 11 part of the bankruptcy law?
Well, the most important thing is we're not prejudging the outcome here.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have a perfect law already written that we're going to reveal at the end of this process. But what we do hope to do is to make sure that the process is open to all of the important players in the system, that it's transparent, that we do all our business in public and outreach to the community, use our website, use social media to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to weigh in and to essentially do the kind of thorough work that Congress might do if they had the time or inclination to do it, to do the research and to sort of tee up the issues in a way that allows them to make policy choices down the road as they rebuild the law.
Well, I wish you guys good luck. It's going to be a busy 2 years for sure.
Thank
we'll have
you
to see
very
how
much.
it plays out. Thanks, Sam.
You bet.
That's Sam Gerdano. He's the executive director at the American Bankruptcy Institute. If you'd like to learn more about the issues we just discussed, be sure to check out our offerings on BloombergLaw.com. You can find our updates on Twitter, and you can find more of our videos on YouTube. I'm Pacchia. Thanks for watching.